Show that cos squared x minus sinh squared x is equal to 1. Okay, so these are both what's known as hyperbolic functions. So cos squared x minus sinh squared x is, now cos x is equal to e to the x plus e to the minus x divided by 2. So we need to square that. And sinh x is represented by e to the x minus e to the minus x divided by 2 squared. So if we square each of these things, so it's e to the x squared plus 2e to the x e to the minus x e to the minus x squared over 4, because 2 squared, and then subtract from that e to the x squared minus 2e to the x e to the minus x plus e to the minus x squared divided by 4. Now don't forget this line here acts as a bracket. So putting it all over 4, we get e to the 2x. The e to the x times e to the minus x is like doing e to the x divided by e to the x, so it just gives you 1. So we just get 2 there. E to the minus 2x minus e to the 2x, and if we take a minus and a minus, it becomes plus 2. These two will become 1. And then minus e to the minus 2x. So now we could probably do a bit of cancelling. So this e to the 2x and this e to the minus e to the 2x will cancel out. And then e to the minus 2x will cancel out with this. And we're left with 2 plus 2, which makes 4 over 4, and 4 over 4 is equal to 1, which is what we had to prove. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to prove an hyperbolic identity. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.